With massive offshore wind developments underway, by 2028, the US will be left with an estimated 1 million cubic meters of wind turbine blade waste every year. Blade2Build by RCAM Technologies offers a solution to recover and reuse 95% of these decommissioned blades. Blade2Build works by incorporating several forms of mechanically recycled wind turbine blade waste into additively manufactured concrete structures for renewable energy. The inclusion of both recovered fibers and powdered waste allows for a near total consumption of the recycled material. These sustainable alternatives make the concrete stronger while also reducing its overall cost and environmental impact. Unlocking the synergistic benefits of sustainable materials paired with additive manufacturing will accelerate efforts towards a cleaner and more efficient construction industry. RCAM Technologies has a history of applying automated concrete manufacturing to innovative solutions. We have successfully completed R&D projects for DOE, NSF, CEC, NYSERDA, and more. Our R&D facility at the Port of Los Angeles is equipped with extruding and spraying concrete additive manufacturing capabilities. A proof of concept test was completed by spraying concrete with fibers against the substrate of reinforcement and 3D printed concrete. Blade2Build will generate a high performance and sustainable construction material out of wind turbine blade waste, supporting a domestic and self-sustaining recycling industry.